Hi guys, this is Yash from Business Guru. We help entrepreneurs all over India in setting up their business and managing their compliance. We are the top writers on Quora on topics which are followed by 5 million people. Our mission is to help entrepreneurs like you as we believe that entrepreneurs can be successful if they keep on learning and evolving. So today's video is all about understanding the basics of an LLP and when you should form an LLP for your business. We will also be answering some frequently asked questions about this topic. We will explain these concepts in a very simple and easy to understand way without the use of any technical or finance jargons. So let's get started. The concept of LLP was introduced to India in 2009. It is a very popular business structure in the West. It has made by merging the advantages of a private limited company and a partnership together. The full form of LLP is Limited Liability Partnership. In very simple terms, it is a partnership with the protection of limited liability. Now let's understand these two parts separately. The word partnership signifies that the structure consists of two or more people. The word limited liability signifies that partners who are part of an LLP will be protected by limited liability. Now, what really is limited liability? We will explain this concept of limited liability with a small example. Suppose two people form an LLP. The agreed capital when they register this LLP is 1 lakh rupees. Now they start running their business, they start doing their business activities. After 2 years, they incur a loss of say 20 lakh rupees. They now decide to shut their business as they feel there is no scope, and if they continue, they will incur even more losses. So now the balance loss of 19 lakh rupees, which is the total loss of 20 lakh minus the capital of 1 lakh, cannot be recovered from them. In other words, their liability will only be limited to their initial contribution, which is 1 lakh. The balance loss will not be recovered from them as they are now protected by limited liability. This explains the two parts which go in forming an LLP. Just to repeat or reiterate what we said, an LLP is a partnership with the protection of limited liability. So now that you've understood what is an LLP, it is now time to understand when you should form an LLP for your business. When you want to conduct business in a partnership with someone, you have two options: a private limited company or an LLP. You also have an option of a partnership firm, but we have explained in our FAQs later why you should never form a partnership firm. So coming back, LLPs is one of the most flexible business structures available in India. As compared to a private limited, it is very simple to run an LLP. It is very simple to rotate funds. You can take loans from anyone. You can withdraw money anytime you want. You can introduce money anytime you want. There are very few rules you have to follow in running an LLP. There are practically no disadvantages as such when you form an LLP. It is the easiest business structures to run and maintain. An LLP is good enough for all businesses, be it trading, wholesale, services, logistics, IT, or any other business. Having said all of this, you should never form an LLP on three occasions. The first occasion, don't form an LLP when your business wants to raise venture capital. See, if you plan to do any business which will raise venture capital in the future, then form a private limited company only. Venture capital funds do not fund an LLP. Flipkart, Uber, Byju's, all are private limited companies and not LLPs. Second occasion, don't form an LLP when you want to manufacture anything or when you're in the business of manufacturing. See, when you are in the business of manufacturing and you form an LLP, you will end up paying income tax at flat 30%. But if you form a private limited company for the same business, you will just pay 15%. That's 50% saving in income tax just by changing your structure. That's a huge saving. So whenever you want to do the business of manufacturing anything, do not form an LLP, form a private limited company instead. Third occasion, Don't form an LLP when your projected or expected profits from your business exceed 2 crores a year. See, in a private limited company, you pay income tax at 25%. If you satisfy some conditions, you end up paying just 22%. But in an LLP, you pay income tax at 30%. So now there is a saving of straight 5 to 8% if you form a private limited company. But for that saving of 5 to 8%, you have to comply with a lot more rules, laws, and regulations, and you have to sacrifice on flexibility which an LLP gives you. This sacrifice becomes worth it when you earn a profit of 2 crore plus. See, if your expected profit is 2 crore plus, you will end up saving at least 10 lakhs a year in income taxes. Here, this figure of 2 crores we are talking about is projected profits and not turnover. So to summarize, LLP is a great business structure for any business, and it's one of the most flexible and easy to run structures. You can form LLP for any kind of business, but just don't do it on 3 occasions. One, when you want to raise venture capital. Second, when you want to get into manufacturing. And third, when your expected profit is 2 crore plus. So now, having understood all of this, let's get on to answering some FAQs. These FAQs are compiled by us after advising almost 500 entrepreneurs and from a Quora feed. So guys, as specified by us earlier, LLP is just like any other partnership. So you need 2 or more people to form an LLP. Guys, there is no minimum capital which is required to start an LLP. You can even start an LLP with as low as $1,000. So guys, it generally takes 7 to 10 days to set up an LLP. It costs around 7 to 12,000 to set up an LLP, and this cost will differ from consultant to consultant and state to state. So if you're looking to form a proprietorship, even you can form an LLP instead. LLP is a more formal and organized way to conduct business. You will just need one more person, as an LLP needs 2 people to register. Guys, audit is not compulsory in an LLP every year. You have to conduct an audit in an LLP only when the turnover exceeds 40 lakh rupees or capital exceeds 25 lakh rupees. So guys, I hope you've understood an LLP in a very simple and basic way. I hope you now understand when to form an LLP for your business. Please give us feedback so that we can improve ourselves and keep on making great videos for you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time guys, cheers.